Hello and welcome to my short tutorial on long division. So you have a question, 5,741 divided by 16. How are you going to do this in long division? First of all, a good tip is to write a fact box for the 16 times table. So 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, and 144. So I've gone up to 9 times 16. Then we put it into the bus stop. So 5,741 divided by 16. First of all, I put a 0 above the 5 because there are no 16s in 5. And then I have the two numbers 57. So then I look down my 16 times table. What number is closest without going over? So the one closest to it is 48. So I write 48 underneath. And how many times of 16 is that? 1, 2, 3. So I write 3 above the 7. And then I do a takeaway. So 8 take away 7 I can't do, so I exchange it. So now I've got 17 take away 8, which is 9. And 4 take away 4 is 0. Then I drop down the 4. So now I have 94. So again, I look at my 16 times table. Which one is closest? So 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96. 96 is too much. So 80 is the closest without going over. How many times is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, I write 5 over the 4. And then I take away. So 94 take away 80 is 14. Then I drop down my 1, which makes 141. So again, I look at my 16 times table. 128 is closest without going over. 144 is over. So I write 128 underneath, take away. And I do 1 take away 8, which I can't do, so I exchange. So now I have 11 take away 8, which is 3. 3 take away 2, which is 1. 1 take away 0 is 0. How many 128s was that? That was 8. So I write 8 up there, remainder 13. So my answer is 358, remainder 13, or 13/16. Okay, let's have a look at another example. So this time I've got 7,321 divided by 23. So again, write 7,321 in the bus stop method divided by 23. And now I'm going to write down my fact box for the 23 times table. So 23, 46, 69, 92, 115, 138, 161, 184, and 9 times 23 is 207. So again, how many 23s go into 7? So 0. And then I've got 73. So how many 23s go into 73? So again, I look down my 23 times table. 69 without going over. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. So 73 take away 69 is 4. Because I can exchange across. So 9 to 13 take away 9 is 4. 6 take away 0. Drop down my 2. So I have 42. How many 23s go into 42 without any remaining? Only 1. So I take away 23. So again, I have to exchange. So 12 take away 3 is 9. 3 take away 2 is 1. Drop down my 1. So I have 191. Again, looking at my 23 times table, 184 is closest without going over. And that is 8 times. So then I take away. So 1 take away 4 I can't do. So exchange across. So 11 take away 4 is 7. 8 take away 8 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So my answer is 318, remainder 7. Or I can have that 7 23s. Okay, that's how you do long division. Hope that this helps. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.